Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jessica Sin and I talk about cryptocurrencies, stocks, and also commodities. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to use moving averages and also RSI indicator to plan your trades. So here I am on the Bitcoin USD 1-day chart. So this is the daily chart, zoomed out version. So I'm using the EMA exponential moving average 20, 50, 100, and 200. So these are my EMA moving average bands, right? So I have marked it in such a way whereby the green is the 20-day, yellow is the 50-day, orange is the 100-day, and red is the 200-day moving average. So you can choose moving average indicator from this section of indicators, or you can code one yourself. So this one, which I'm using, you can find it from here or you can code it yourself. So we see that from 2020 until here, April 21, the green is above the yellow, which is above the orange, which is above the red moving average. So all the moving averages are sloping upwards. So this shows an uptrend. And also all the shorter term moving averages are above the longer term one, which is the 200-day moving average. So we have a significant uptrend. And look what happened when the 20-day moving average, the shortest one, crossed down below the other longer term moving averages. So ever since the crossover here, the price dropped significantly. And then what happened? At this point, you see the 20-day moving average, the green line, cross over the other moving averages again. And then we have an uptrend here. And then it crossed down again, it's a downtrend. And then it crossed up again above all the other moving averages. And we have 20 above 50, above 100, above 200. You have another leg of an uptrend until this point where the 20 crossed down below the 50 and then the 100 and then the 200, and from here on you can see price went on a downtrend. And so long as the short-term moving average is below the longer-term 200-day moving average, we are still in a downtrend. So using moving averages, it is very easy to see whether you are currently in an uptrend or downtrend. So this can help you plan your trades, especially if you are a swing trader. As long as the other shorter term ones are above, you're still in an uptrend until price drops below the longest moving average, then you know that, yeah, you are in, a significant downtrend. So from the end of 2021, November 2021, all the way until here, early March, until early 2023, we have been in a downtrend all the way. Until recently, here at this point, early March 2023, we started to shift, whereby the green moving average, the 20-day, started moving above the other longer term moving averages. So this shows that we are starting to move upwards again, and this shows bullishness. So here I am on the Bybit platform where I am trading cryptocurrencies. Now you can do spot trading, buy and hold your favorite cryptocurrencies and sell a high to make a profit. Derivatives, trade futures contracts using leverage, buy and sell NFTs, non-fungible tokens, earn passive income by staking cryptocurrencies. Staking is just like fixed deposits, but for cryptocurrencies. So just deposit your cryptocurrencies, lock it up, and then you can earn as high as 18% annual percentage yield or even more for some tokens. So if you're a swing trader, you may take this as a bullish signal and start to dollar cost average. And as long as the green moving average, the shorter term one, keeps being above the longer term moving averages and all the moving averages slope upwards, then you can have a healthy bull trend from there. Right? So see that all the way we had the green below the yellow, below the orange, below the red, but finally in early March 2023, things start to change. So some are calling for a bull run from now on. So I would like to see that this trend continues, whereby, all the moving averages slope upwards and the green continues to stay above the rest of the moving averages, and price is also above the green moving average, the 20-day, which shows that we could be on a next bull run soon if this can be sustained, right? Then we may see what happened like in 2020 to 2021 again, right? A bull trend, so long as all are sloping upwards and the green moving average is above the rest. And also, if you use RSI, it can also show you when Bitcoin's price is overbought or oversold. So at this point, it shows that RSI is very high. It is at 92. So it is definitely oversold. That's why Bitcoin had to retrace. And then over here, we had RSI at 27, which is below 30. So that is quite low. So that's why we had a move upwards from here. So generally, as long as RSI is above 70, you have an overbought condition. So price should likely retrace downwards. Whereas if you have, say, RSI below 30, like at this point, then RSI tells you that price is currently oversold. So you may have a retracement to the upside. So this can help you to give extra confluence to your trades. But I don't suggest that you use RSI alone. You will need to pair it with other indicators and price action as well. So in this case, we're using moving average bands along with RSI. So the moving average bands tell you the trend direction, whereas the RSI tells you the momentum of the market, overbought or oversold. So keep an eye on the overbought and the oversold levels when you take your trades. So now currently we are not overbought. So this uptrend can still have way to play out itself. If it continues to go upwards and then go too high beyond 70, then maybe we might see a retracement downwards. But as for now, it is still okay. So it remains to see if we can continue moving up from here and go past 30K, or do we still need to pull back to low 20K, or maybe some are saying that there may be a big crash. So of course, it is very dependent on news and events as well for cryptocurrencies. So other than your indicators, your price action, do still pay attention to what is happening in the cryptocurrency scene, alright? And if you want to trade cryptocurrency with me, do check out Bybit platform using my affiliate sign-up link. And if you do sign up through my link, let me know and I will guide you through the crypto basics and help you to do your first few trades. I will give you your first few signals for free. So it is free guidance. And if you're interested in trading signals for your swing trades, I also have a premium Telegram group whereby I will share signals and analysis with the subscribers in my Telegram group as well. So message me if you want to join, and follow me, subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and analysis like this. Alright, thank you.